Welcome to our tutorial. Today, we'll show you how to find your Zoom meeting passcode quickly and easily. First, let's open the Zoom app. If you're using a computer, locate the app on your desktop or navigate to the Zoom website. Next, log into your account. You'll need your email and password to access your meetings. Once logged in, click on My Meetings in the menu. Find your scheduled meeting from the list. Click the meeting title. You'll find the meeting details, including the passcode, clearly displayed. And that's it. Now you have your Zoom meeting passcode. Remember to share it with your participants. For a smoother experience, schedule your meetings in advance and always double-check the details. Encourage your participants to check their email for the invite, where the passcode is usually included. If you forget your passcode, don't worry. You can reset it from the meeting details. Make sure to keep your software updated for optimal security and features. Lastly, enjoy your meetings and stay connected with your team or clients. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips.